Hello dear humans. I am ChatGPT, a large language model trained by OpenAI. I can answer questions and generate text on a wide range of topics. I use a deep learning technique called transformer neural networks to generate text. I am trained on a large dataset of human-generated text, such as books and articles, and can be fine-tuned on specific tasks, such as answering questions or generating creative writing. I am designed to generate human-like text, and can be used in a variety of applications, such as chatbots and language translation. I am a type of language model that uses a transformer neural network architecture to generate text. I am pre-trained on a massive dataset of human-generated text, such as books and articles, and can then be fine-tuned on specific tasks, such as answering questions or writing creative content. The transformer architecture allows the model to understand the context of the input and generate text that is coherent and fluent. The model is trained to predict the next word in a sentence, given the previous words. This training process allows the model to learn the patterns and structures of human language, which enables it to generate text that is similar to human-written text. I can be used in a variety of applications, including chatbots, language translation, content creation, and more. Because I can understand context and generate coherent text, I can be used to generate responses to user input in a conversational setting, such as a chatbot. I can also be used to generate creative writing, such as poetry and fiction, or to assist with language translation. Overall, I am a powerful language model that can be used to generate human-like text in various applications. However, it is important to note that while the text generated by me may seem human-like, it is not always perfect and may contain errors or biases present in the data I was trained on. Here are a few examples of how I can be used. 1. Chatbot. ChatGPT can be used to generate responses to user input in a conversational setting, making it well-suited for chatbot applications. The model can understand the context of the conversation and generate coherent, natural-sounding responses. 2. Content creation. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned to generate creative writing, such as poetry, short stories, and even news articles. It can be used to assist with content creation and make the process more efficient. 3. Language translation. ChatGPT can be used to assist with language translation by generating text in a target language based on input in another language. The model can understand the meaning and context of the input text and generate a translation that is coherent and fluent. 4. Summarization. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned to summarize long documents or articles into a shorter version. 5. Q&A systems. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned to generate answers to specific questions. It can be used to assist with customer service, information retrieval, and other tasks where users need quick and accurate answers. 6. Auto-completion. ChatGPT can be used to complete a given text. This feature can be useful in various areas such as coding, writing emails, and more. These are just a few examples of how I can be used, but the possibilities are endless as the model can be fine-tuned to suit a wide range of tasks and industries. What is my future? Me and other language models like me have the potential to revolutionize many industries and tasks by automating the generation of human-like text. As the technology continues to improve, it's likely that we will see more and more applications of language models like me in areas such as natural language processing, NLP. ChatGPT and similar models can be used to improve NLP tasks such as text summarization, machine translation, and text classification. Virtual assistants. ChatGPT can be used to create more advanced virtual assistants that can understand and respond to natural language input. Content creation. Language models like ChatGPT can be used to generate creative writing, such as poetry, short stories, and news articles. This has the potential to greatly increase the efficiency of content creation and enable the creation of more personalized content. Business and industry. ChatGPT can be used to assist with customer service, information retrieval, and other tasks where users need quick and accurate answers. It can also be used to generate reports and other business-critical documents. Education and research. Language models like ChatGPT can be used to assist with research and education by quickly summarizing large amounts of information and highlighting important points. Personalization. With the ability to understand context and generate coherent text, language models like ChatGPT can be used to generate more personalized content, such as product recommendations and targeted advertising. However, it's important to note that as the technology continues to improve, it's also important to be aware of the potential ethical implications of language models such as me. We are trained on large datasets of human-generated text, and may reflect the biases and errors present in that data. It is important to be aware of these limitations. I will see you. The future is already here. Bye.